What's going on, guys? This is Mark Piesek of Piesek Photography, MP Media, Photos and Films. What's going on? Coming at you with another video today, and I'm going to talk about how I shoot video. There's a couple different strategies to shooting video, but these are the protocols that I use to shoot video. Goal number one, get the main shots. What I mean by main shots is the main elements that's going to make my production. Beginning, the middle, the end, and filler B-roll in between. If I want to shoot a swimsuit video, one of my main shots is having the model or the athlete run down the beach, then playing on the beach, then moving on the beach. Those are my main shots. So I try to get those shots first. Goal number two, get multiple angles of every shot. Wide, close, really close, facial expressions, multiple angles of each shot. If I have a facial expression, I try to have the lady or the client close your eyes, open your eyes, move your lips, close, wide, every single angle possible. Different around, different kind of shots. Those kind of shots and angles are good for cuts. Those really help the final production have seamless transition. Goal number three, get take 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Get multiple takes of every shot so you have a variety of different clips to go through. If take one of scene one looks good and you want to splice it with scene two, at least scene two has multiple variations, splice them together. When you have variety, it makes the possibilities of your outcome be even better. So get multiple takes of every shot, every angle, and then you can really make a good production. Goal number four, I love to shoot in 24 frames per second and 120. Why do I not shoot in 60 or 48 or 30? I prefer the cinematic look of 24 and then splicing the really slow motion of 120 in with that. It really makes a dramatic piece. That's what I like to go to. I don't like using 60 and then slowing it 40% down to make my slow motion. I prefer just going straight to 120. It really makes it a cleaner and better slow motion. Goal number five, nail my exposure and my lighting. Two very important things. You don't want your shots really nice and detailed. You don't want too many shadows because sometimes, depending on your camera and lens, you can't bring those details back out. So the best advice I can give and the goal I try to implement is nail down my exposure and my lighting off the bat. Goal number six goes back to goal number two, multiple angles of every shot. Wide and close. I can't stress that enough. It really makes a piece come together better. Number seven, audio is a very important factor. You can have great video, but crappy audio and no one will watch. But you can have crappy video and good audio and people will still stay and listen. The sweet spot on your level of your audio recorder is about -12 on that level meter. Stay there. That's when your audio is going to be not peaking and not too low. You will eliminate most of your hiss and background noise if you're staying around that -12 spot. So just make sure to watch it when you're recording. Try to go high and low and watch that peak. If it peaks, drop down that volume level, the gain. -12 is a sweet spot. Now these are my goals and my tips for shooting video. I hope it was helpful to you. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. I hope to hear some good feedback. I really want to make these videos a lot better. I hope you learned something. Have a great day, guys. Make some dope content. Later.